Taking action online. Review, mega bonus download pack in download area. Taking action online, over 95 videos in our action plan which teaches how a baker was able to quit his 9-to-5 and become a full-time internet marketer. Product info and case study video. Here's what your tribe will get with TAO. Taking action online, hours of 100% newbie-friendly video-based training. Over 95 videos, PDFs, cheat sheets, and more. Action-based, completely over-the-shoulder theory and practical training. Every basic and advanced step is covered. Completely free traffic training included. Intermediate paid traffic training. Focused on affiliate marketing skills, no weird fad tactics that will be gone in 6 weeks. Includes detailed videos about list building, video marketing, affiliate sales, and more. Complete whitehead and ethical training. Engaged community already built into the members area. Beginner-friendly, expert potential. Both noobs and vets will learn actionable content that gets results. Period. What is taking action online? Say, action plan. We have over 30 hours plus hours of training inside our action plan which outlines how we take any niche or product and build a business from the ground up. Most training modules do not show the whole picture. They teach a specific method, but they fail to show how to implement it properly. Choose one which suits your needs and implement it to drive more traffic and visitors to a website. OTOT Gold Card Program. Our Gold Card program gives our members updates, fresh case studies and strategies which we use to enhance our progress. We show how to get cheap traffic, organic traffic, and we show email campaigns which make $500 plus each with simple and logical implementation plans. We take the guesswork out of the equation and show everything we do to build a profitable business with detailed case studies and strategies. OTOT Underground Tactics. Every month we do 100% educational webinars where we talk about many aspects of building an online business, and we share these for free with our monthly members. These webinars are educational and do not have any promotions, sales or ulterior motive, just education. We talk about strategies you can implement, mentality of running a profitable business, and answer questions from you, our members, about any topics you might want to learn more about. Copy a baker who quit his 9-to-5 job to become a full-time internet marketer. Review, mega bonus download pack in download area.